In this video, I'm going to show you how to manually adjust macros in MacroFactor. So basically, once you open the application, of course, if you don't have it downloaded, make sure to go and do so. And log in into your account if you have an account, and if you don't, go and create an account. The application is paid if you don't know that, and they give like 1 week free trial for $1. Not totally free trial, but it's fine. It's called like that. So to manually adjust macros in MacroFactor, you'll need to use the either manual or collaborative program. If you're in the coach program, you'll not be able to manually adjust that. If you want to manually adjust that in your coach program, you'll have to set up your new goal in the strategy tab. So go to strategy tab, click on set up a new goal, set up your goal depending on whatever you want. For example, you can just go and edit your goal if you want to. So let's just say, and here's an example in the program. Don't choose coached. Just go and choose manual or collaborative. So depending on whatever you want. In here, you'll be able to adjust your macros by your own. You'll to do whatever you want. If you choose coached, they will choose everything from you. And of course, manual is more manual, so more you have access to everything, so you'll be able to do everything by your own, like everything. You'll be able to choose whatever you want, and as you can see, you can edit everything by your own, and you'll be able to adjust your macros in MacroFactor alone. So yeah, for me, I'm not going to do so. I'm gonna keep my program. And of course, whatever you adjust, you can find it here in the dashboard. You'll find everything changed. Once ever you adjust, you'll find here the calories that you need to eat, the protein, fats, carbs, and whatever remaining and stuff. You can find here also insights, analytics, habits, and everything else. So that should be it for me in this video. That should be, of course, for me. If you have any questions, just leave it down below in the comment section and I'll do my best to help you out. So thank you for watching again, and I'll catch you in the next video.